Shift and stay is the sixth and final wellness skill. Shift and stay integrates all 5 skills learned so far. This skill emphasizes that the person has the ability to shift awareness to one of the skills they have been practicing throughout their activity of daily life when trauma and/or stress-related actions arise unexpectedly. There are many internal and external reminders that can create fear, anxiety, and isolation. When this occurs, the person can use the shift and stay skill to shift their attention from the distressing sensations in the body to a resource, to grounding, to a self-soothing gesture, to a help now strategy, or simply to a place in the body that feels calmer or neutral. The person then stays with those sensations until stabilization has occurred. So tracking is an important part of shift and stay. For example, you're at work and getting bombarded with email after email, causing you to feel very stressed. You notice that your heart rate has increased, your jaw is clenched, your breathing is fast, and your chest is tight. So you stop and take a moment to use a skill. You could use any of the skills we covered. You may want to use the help now strategy, like taking a sip of water. As you are taking a sip of water, follow the liquid going down your throat and follow it as far as you can. Be sure to focus on the pleasant or neutral sensations and notice that change in the body. Notice your heart rate slowing down. Notice your breathing slowing down. Notice the tension of your muscles release. And notice any other pleasant or neutral sensations in your body and stay with them until you are back in your resilience zone and you feel balanced. In this example, we use shift and stay to shift the awareness from the stress by using one of the skills we learned. In this scenario, we used a help now strategy, but any of the skills can be used. Once you are able to shift to a skill, you then stay with those sensations until stabilization has occurred. If you are interested in learning more about the Community Resiliency Model or would like to host a CRIM workshop for your organization, please contact SEAHEC.